Let me create this kind of 3D model with the help of NX software. Create new document. On the new document, select the sketch option. Select the top of the plane. Now with the help of arc option, we can create first the center point arc. Line and create the straight horizontal line. Now again I have to create the one tangent arc from this point to this point, tangent, and again horizontal line, horizontal line. Similarly, create this kind of arc. Trace the object, arc, create the combination of the multiple arc and line. Now apply the dimension. Radial option and apply the radius of 50. Now distance between these two lines should be uniform throughout the object. So first of all, apply the dimension. Apply the dimension of 30 and 30. Finish the sketch. Now create the one datum plane for the profile. So datum plane, select the option of curve and point. Select the curve and point. Okay. Now on the plane, I have to create one profile. Sketch, intersection point. Okay. Circle with particular mm dia. Now sweep this object. Surface, swap. First of all, select the profile and then select the connected curve. Your object is ready.